Alright, in this video, problem number 26 on the free ATI TEAS math practice test that you can find over at www.bcraftmath.com. Number 26, Carlos has a budget of $2,500 and he needs to purchase new laptops and cameras for the IT department. If the quoted price of a laptop is $450 and a camera is $65, write an inequality that can be used to find the various numbers of laptops, let's call them L, and cameras, let's call them C, that Carlos can purchase excluding tax. So before we dive into the solution to this inequality, I want you to think about a few things. How much would 5 laptops and 6 cameras cost? So look at this equation that I have here. How much would 5 laptops and 6 cameras cost? Well, since one laptop is $450, according to the problem, 450 times 5 is going to tell us the price of the 5 laptops, plus $65 per camera times 6 cameras. Working all this out on a calculator or pencil and paper, you will get $2,640. Carlos cannot order 5 laptops and 6 cameras because that is exceeding his budget of $2,500. Let's look at this one here in red. How much would 3 laptops and 10 cameras cost? What I've done here is I've used the same equation, except I've replaced the 5 and the 6 from the blue example with a 3 and a 10 because we're taking $450 per laptop times 3 laptops plus $65 times 10 for the 10 cameras. That's going to total $2,000. Carlos could purchase 3 laptops and 10 cameras because that is not exceeding his $2,500 budget. Now my point here is this: there are going to be a lot of combinations of laptops and cameras. As long as Carlos does not exceed $2,500, he's good. He doesn't have to spend all $2,500, but as long as he does not exceed that $2,500 budget here, he will be fine. So now if we come back here, we want to write an inequality. Notice the 450 is always going to get used and the 65 is always going to get used. If I take 450 times L, where L is the number of laptops, plus $65 times C, the number of cameras. That's what the word problem tells us to use. As long as this does not exceed $2,500, we don't want to set it equal to $2,500. We want to set this less than or equal to $2,500 because what we have here is the price that Carlos will spend on laptops and cameras. As long as it is less than or equal to $2,500, he's good to go. And there you have it, problem number 26 on the free ATI TEAS math practice test. And again, you can pick this up over at www.bcraftmath.com. And that's it for this video. I hope it helped.